everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we've got a new 5-car set from Hot Wheels Silver Series. As you can see, it's compact gangs. Total, as I said before, 5 cars, and let's see what are those cars before we start reviewing this one. So we have a Ford Fiesta, Honda Civic Type R, Subaru WRX STI, a Mazda MX-5 Miata, and a Nissan Sentra SER. I will have videos for all of these, and I'm gonna start with this one. Looks like a nice casting. It's called Compact Kings. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here we got a 2012 Ford Fiesta. This casting, the actual shell, I don't think it's new because I remember older Ford Fiesta, but the Hot Wheels Silver Series variant is new. So you've got some nice details here. We're gonna start from the front. So the front, you can see it's a wide body Fiesta. Actually reminds me of one of those rally version of Fiesta. So you've got headlamps which are kind of black. I don't know why, but you do get Ford badge, lower grille finish in black. And you can see the splitter in the front. Hood is also not usual Fiesta. It's a custom hood, and you can see there are vents for intake. Surround mirrors or windshield wiper in the front though. Now, moving to the driver's side. One thing before I go to the driver's side, so they have used this top metal part rather than using it a part of glass to like have that tint. I think the windshield is all the way till here, but they used a metal instead of like having a tint on the glass. Now, on the driver's side, these wheels look nice. They look those classic rally type 5-spoke wheels. Red and white paint job looks good. On the side you got the Sparco, Ford, Fiesta, Hot Wheels. 4-door, not a 2-door Fiesta though. Also you can see it's still a wide body car. You see flared wheel arches, so wide. I don't know if you can see, but there is roll cage inside the car there. Where my finger is, you can see there's a roll cage. Huge spoiler for such a small car. So let's move to the back now. On the back, again, some good details there. Tail lamp is detailed. You got the Ford badge. Trim piece also detailed, and I don't know if those are like latches or some kind of lamps. I'm not sure. Again, a custom bumper with diffuser in the back. Passenger or co-driver side looks almost identical. On the top, you can see it looks like I don't know what's called, intake or vent. So it's there. Interior seems to finish in black. As I said before, it has a roll cage inside. This is how it looks from the bottom. Plastic base, obviously. Overall, I think it looks nice. You don't really get these kind of vehicles very common. Like, they're not very common with Hot Wheels nowadays. But yeah, it looks good. Looks nice. I wish they had mirrors, but I totally understand it's based on photo casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.